वेलकम टू valsquicktips and tricks कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. बोर मी आजून पूण आसा पावसाची कांय खबर ना, पूण मे म्हयनो. सो लेट्स मेक अनदर समर ड्रिंक दॅट इज मिंट, watermelon and cucumber. So just put in this and it is sugar free. So we have to grind this to a liquid. So we'll add little bit of salt, and in this we have already added ginger, but if it's optional. Squeeze some lime. How much tanginess you want, that much you take. Then we add this, no straining. Then we add some sparkling water, that is soda. Enjoy this summer drink. Thank you.